Okay, now that we've let the car run for about 30 seconds, we're going to recheck the oil level because the oil filter is now full with oil and we want to see where the oil level's at. So we're going to pull our dipstick out, make sure you wipe it clean. Place it back in there, second or two. Pull it out and see what we're looking at. Both sides are the same. You can see the oil level comes up to right here, which is just below the lower hole. So we need to add, say, about a half a quart of oil. Set that there for now. Open this cap again. Put our funnel in. Finish that one. We're going to check the oil level one more time. So we're going to place the dipstick back in. Make sure it's all the way in to get an accurate reading. And we're in between the lower hole and the top hole, so we're good to go. Put that back in, make sure it's down all the way. Get our funnel out of here, place the cap back on. Ready to get this car back on the ground.